Makeup removal and clean. Remove makeups and clean. Apply Black Hat Export Liquid and hot steam on large pores or clogged area, and toner. For sensitive skin, it's advised to apply toner and cold steam instead. Device operation. Select hydra dermabrasion treatment. Press gently on forehead with the crystal tip for 3 to 5 times. Then brace the forehead tightly and stay for a second, and gently twist the probe and pick it up. Each treatment area should be right next to another, from forehead to nose, chin, and cheeks. You can double the operation on T-zone where pores are severely clogged. Wipe it clean. Select cleaning scrubber treatment. Tilt the scrubber at a 45-degree angle and slowly move around the face. Start with nose and double the treatment if needed. Make sure the face is moist during the whole time. Brace the skin vertically towards hairline on forehead. Apply hydrating facial mask for about 10 minutes. Wash face clean. Apply massage cream and gently massage face and caress. Push the following acupoints that will be 承浆、人中、地仓、颊车、迎香、睛明、攒竹、鱼腰、丝竹空、temple, 童子髎 and 400 points. Use both hands to lift face as if playing musical instruments. Alternate hands in lifting face in 3 parallel lines from jaw to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to temple. Lift eye corners with scissor hand gesture. Move in figure Z to the front of the ear on forehead and slide to the back of the ear back and forth. Select RF treatment. Move the probe horizontally in circles from jaw to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to temple to lift the treatment area. Combine with hand and lift from jaw to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to temple. Start RF treatment on eyes. Combined with hand, move from lower eyelid to temple to lift the treatment area. Lift the probe from beginning till the end of the eyebrow. Move vertically towards the hairline on forehead. Wipe face clean with towel or tissue. Select Hydro Spray Jet. Pour hydrating essence into the bottle, with the proportion of essence versus distilled water being 2 versus 1. Start from chin to earlobe, then from mouth corner to ear gate. Move in parallel lines, meanwhile brace the skin with the free hand to keep the treatment surface tight. Move vertically towards hairline on forehead, meanwhile brace the skin with the free hand to keep the surface tight. Lead in nutrition with the backside of the scrubber. Move upwards from jaw to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to temple to lift the treatment area. Move up and lift towards the hairline on forehead. Apply whitening or anti-aging essence on face. Select ultrasound treatment. Move the probe horizontally in circles from jaw to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to temple. Move vertically towards the hairline on forehead. Select mask treatment. Apply a facial mask and put on the LED phantom mask. Wait for 15 minutes. Then take off the mask. Select coat hammer treatment. Move in circles until you cover the whole face with coat hammer. Clean face and then apply toner, essence, cream, and sunscreen.